Alright guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Claude Skills in 2026. If you're tired of repeating the same prompts over and over again, Claude Skills can help you automate your workflows, get more consistent results, and save a lot of time. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create, customize, and use skills for content creation, coding, research, marketing, and much more. The first step we're going to be taking is opening up Claude. So make sure you've opened up Claude on your browser or if you're using the application. And then head into your dashboard by clicking on the new chat. And you have to understand first what Claude skills are. So to navigate to where Claude skills are, first click on customize and then click on create new skill. You're going to be taken over to the skill menu. And before we start using them, we have to understand what they do and how they function. So, Claude skills are reusable instructions that allow Claude to perform specific tasks in consistent ways. So, instead of explaining your preference every time, you can create a skill once and reuse it whenever you need to. So, it could either be a YouTube script writing skill, email marketing, research assistance, coding help, or social media content creation. Think of a skill as a custom AI assistant built for a specific job. So whenever you create a skill, you're most likely creating a custom AI assistant for that skill. All right. So in order to access, Claude skills, like I said earlier, log into your Claude account, navigate to the skills section if it's available in your workspace, and you'll find it here. All right, so if the interface changes in future updates, look for custom instructions, workflow tools, or skill management options. That way you can stay up to date even with the new changes. So we're going to go ahead and create our first skill. So the first thing we have to do is just click on the plus icon here. So click on this. Once you've selected that, go ahead and click on create skill. You can hover above it and there will be few options such as uploading a skill, writing skill instructions, or creating a skill with Claude. So we're going to go ahead and write a skill instruction. Is much more easier than prompting Claude using the create with Claude feature. So click on create skill or write skill instruction and then enter the name. The name I'm going to be going with would be YouTube. Let's call it YouTube scripts writing. So we can call it YouTube script writing. And then the description basically is you are a professional YouTube scriptwriter who creates engaging hooks, clear explanations, high retention content, and strong call to actions. Use a beginner friendly tone. That was the description. Now we can go ahead and enter an instruction. So the instructions tell Claude exactly how to behave whenever this skill is used. So we can also ask it or tell it different things to do, such as so I told it to use a beginner friendly tone and that this is for a 1 minute script. The question mark symbol will be added to differentiate from other skills and it should only apply these when I use that skill. So these instructions tell Claude exactly how to behave whenever this skill is used. So you can use this to create a content creation skill as well. You can just simply test it out. So let's just go ahead and just simply click on create the skill first and we have created a YouTube writing skill. All right, so now all we need to do here is just head back to a new chat and then simply ask or prompt the Claude AI with a script. We're going to make it a 1 minute script. So let's go ahead and enter the prompt. And we've entered a prompt for that script. And now all we need to do is just enter the symbol I requested and then hit on enter. So we've entered that noun and it should follow our instruction from our YouTube script writing skill. Notice how Claude automatically follows the instructions that we requested. So here is a 1 minute script for beginners and it begins using our jokes and other things that were included. All right, so you can also do this for coding. How do you go about doing this for code? Click on customize, click on create new skill, and follow the same procedure. You head here and we can easily click on the plus, click on create new skill and write the skill instructions. So we can just call this coding and then give it skill and then enter a simple description for this as well. So the description could be something like examines codes, then refines. And then for instructions, we could just simply have review code, explain bugs clearly, suggest fixes, and optimize performance whenever possible. And it should only activate when I say GG inside of the prompts. So now we have a new and unique skill. All we need to do is just simply click on create. As you can see, this simply helps Claude act like a dedicated coding assistant. To put this to the test, all we need to do is just simply, add a line of code to this, just simply add a line of code, and it would activate when this is done. You can always click on this and click on edit if you've made any mistakes. Like now, let's simply say review code, explain bugs whenever possible, and we could just simply have something like when a line of code is dropped. And voila, we have fixed our skill. That way we can now easily have a proper coding skill as an AI assistant. So close out of this, and you can also create a research skill. Research skills are perfect for students, business owners, and professionals. How does that work? Click on add skill, click on create skill, and then click on write skill instruction. So give it a name, just call it research, and then the description for this could be performs research. And then you can easily enter the instructions, which would be summarize information, extract key insights, identify trends, and present findings in bullet points. So that is the instruction for it. And then you can just say activate whenever I say fetch. All right, so it activates whenever I say fetch. Doing a prompt. So that's how it works. And then you can just simply click on create. And now we have multiple skills here that look good and can, you know, just basically get things done for us. All right, guys. So that's basically how you can get things done. You can also improve your skills using the editing tool, like I showed you. Just simply highlight the skill you want to edit, click on the three dots, and basically edit. You can also edit it using Claude by having a conversation with the AI, or try it in chat by clicking on try in chat if you want to, experiment or practice. And you can replace it, download, or uninstall it. So these downloads are good if you want to use it on another account without having to go through the process of, rewriting all of these things. All right, guys, and that's how you can build a complete workflow. One powerful strategy is by creating multiple skills for different parts of your workflow. This creates an AI powered production system that saves you hours on your work. To get the best results from Claude Skills, remember these practices. Be specific, define your outcomes clearly, include examples, test frequency, refine over time, and also activation words or codes. All right, guys, so that's it. That's how to use code in 2026. Once you start creating custom skills for your common task, you will spend less time repeating instructions and more time getting useful results. So, guys, if you like the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.